Welcome to our delicious brownie recipe. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees for the perfect baking temperature. In a large mixing bowl, let's combine the coconut oil, sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until they form a smooth and delightful blend. Now it's time to add the eggs, one at a time. Make sure to give the mixture a good stir between each egg, creating a wonderfully consistent texture. Next, it's time to incorporate our Resilient Roots Brownie mix into the wet ingredients. Stir gently until the brownie mix is almost fully integrated, leaving just a few delightful streaks. For an extra touch of indulgence, let's fold in some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And if you're a fan of nuts, feel free to add your favorite variety for an added crunch. To ensure your brownies don't stick, evenly coat your pan with cooking spray. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan and give it a gentle shake to even it out. Now it's time to bake. Pop your brownie into the oven and let it bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Be careful not to overbake. We want them to be perfectly moist and delicious. Once the baking time is up, remove the brownie from the oven. Insert a small sharp object into the center of the pan. It should come out slightly wet. As the brownie cools, it'll firm up beautifully. Give your brownie about 10 to 15 minutes to cool before cutting and serving. The anticipation will only make it taste even better. If you have any leftovers, you can store them at room temperature for up to 4 days. For a fudgier texture, try refrigerating them. Get ready to enjoy a scrumptious batch of brownies that will delight your taste buds. Let's get baking!